What's up, everyone? Johnny here. I wanted to share what I think is the number one skill to create wealth right now. You need to learn sales. I believe anyone can truly learn sales because I've done it myself. I started with no sales knowledge. I've been able to sell so many products, services, online, offline, on the phone, in person. I can sell anything at this point as long as I believe in the product and I know what the product is. I'm educated to give people information on the product or service. It comes down to repetition in the beginning. You need to get around people that are already selling. You need to look at what they're doing, adopt their techniques, see how they're talking, see what they're saying, and you adopt that specific mentality or tone when you are speaking to people. You can even sell things without actually speaking with your voice. You can sell things in text, believe it or not. I have done that as well. So it is possible. It's just need to get in the game before you can actually learn it, because you're going to learn by doing. Especially in sales, you're going to learn by failing, because then you'll know what not to say, how to tweak your pitch. It all comes down to that. So if you can find a product or service that you can sell, or if you can find a job, if you can find a career, which is pretty easy to find a sales job locally where you are right now, more than likely. Cars, you have commission-based jobs probably in your area. I mean, cars is the biggest one. Everyone knows about that. Go sell cars. You can make a lot of money. You can make there's people making six figures selling cars. Obviously, it's going to be a lot of work. It's going to be a grind. It's going to take up a lot of your time at first. But if you can master sales, it opens up so many avenues in entrepreneurship, in business, or just in life in general, because you need sales no matter where you're at, no matter what you're doing. Even if you're not an entrepreneur, not in business, you don't want anything to do with that. If you have sales within you, then you can separate yourself from the pack, everyone else that you're competing with. So I believe that is the number one skill you can develop in 2023 to separate yourself from others that do not have sales knowledge. Grind, learn sales, and you're not going to be disappointed with the results and what you learn, because you're going to use it probably for the rest of your life.